Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Atif, and this is the summary of today's lesson. Today we resumed our lesson, English student book, lesson number 4, page number 42. And today's topic was favorite fictional places. So before we started the lesson, I shared the lesson objectives with the class, and today's lesson objectives are speak about a favorite fictional place, reading, read a descriptive essay, writing, write a descriptive essay, and language focus, descriptive adjectives. So today we discussed the first two lesson objectives during the class. First, I asked the opening question to the class, and the opening question was think of a book or story you have read recently. Okay, so we discussed the different books like Harry Potter and some of the other movies like the Jurassic Park and other fictional stories of students' choice. So they discussed in there and they shared the setting of the story. Okay, the story where it occurred or where it happened, and then we discussed the main characters, and I asked the students like are they fictional also or real characters, or what about the places where they set the story, are they fictional also or in a real world. So according to the students and according to the fictional stories, okay, as you know that most of the stories are just imaginative, and they also use the imaginative powers and imaginative characters, and also to make it more thriller they use imaginative uh, places. So we discussed it, and then I shared the vocabulary words, the vocabulary list with the students. So, fiction, the type of book or story that is written about imaginary characters, then magical, produced by or using magic, then huge, extremely large in size, amount, enchanting, very pleasant, mysterious, strange, not known or not understood, exotic, unusual and unexpected or exciting. So that was the vocabulary slide that we discussed. So after that, students completely understand what is a fiction and the meaning of these adjectives that we used in our lesson. After that, we I asked the students about the definition of an adjective. So what is an adjective? I'm going to include it again in the summary video. So adjectives are the words that we use to describe more information about a noun or a pronoun. So we call it adjective. So I explain it to the students, and then I ask the students to use these adjectives to describe the fictional places. We have three photos on our page 42: Hogwarts Castle, Pandora, and Neverland. So I request the students to share their thoughts about these three places. These are the imaginary places from the fictional books and movies. So they discussed and they included one of these or some of these adjectives to describe these places. For example, magical. Okay, some of the students said that this Hogwarts castle is imaginative, magical, mysterious, and scary looking. Okay, so they use mostly three adjectives. Then for this Pandora, they said that this is huge, colorful, okay, and enchanting, and also magical. And for the third picture, most of the students used the adjective exciting because it looks exciting, adventurous. Okay, although adventurous is not here, so I'm just using that adjective to explain you the in what sense it's exciting. Okay, so then some of the students also use the adjectives mysterious. So after the discussion related to the adjectives, I displayed the answers to the class. I'm going to display it again. So these are the answers of activity 4. Picture 1, scary looking, magical and mysterious. And picture 2, magical, enchanting, mysterious, colorful, exotic, magical, colorful, or scary looking. You can use either of these, one of these. And then third one, exciting and mysterious. After that, we also solve this exercise 4. Okay, so exercise 4 was also related to these adjectives. Okay, and I already displayed you the answer for this activity also, so you can write the same answers like Hogwarts is an enormous, and then you can use multiple adjectives like scary looking and mysterious, magical. Okay, so we discussed these four activities in today's lesson. So, inshallah, we will resume our lesson from activity 5. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.